Here are the two schools for tonight's show, Central High and Herbert Morrison Technical. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Central High is represented by Kedan Bailey, Devontae Smith, Daryl Wright, and Captain Joel Fagan, while Herbert Morrison Technical is represented by Truston Grizzle, Christina Clare, Pierre Ford, and Captain Javar Barnes. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the 19th match in round 1 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Theresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. 64 high schools across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss, Central High won, and they decided to go first. Now this section lasts for 5 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Central High, we begin with mathematics. Factorize the equation x squared minus 11x plus 28.
X minus 4 into x minus 7.
Yes. Mathematics for Herbert Morrison. Factorize the equation x squared plus 4x minus 21.
X plus 7, x minus 3.
Yes. And local affairs for Central High. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Mike Henry. Mike Henry.
Correct. Local affairs for Herbert Morrison. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Derek Smith.
Derek Smith.
Correct. History for Central. The Italian campaign of World War II started in which year?
1943. 1943.
That's correct. And history for Herbert Morrison. World War II started when Germany invaded which country?
Russia.
Incorrect. Poland. Music for Central. Listen to this clip and give the title of the song.
You're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold. I won't let another minute go to waste.
What I want.
No. Beautiful Soul. Music for Herbert Morrison. Listen to this clip and give the title of the song.
No man, no cry. Maybe that's right.
No man, no cry.
Incorrect. It's gonna be me. Physics for Central. Which law states that the algebraic sum of currents in a network of conductors meeting a point is 0?
Friday's law.
Incorrect. Kirchhoff's first law. And physics for Herbert Morrison. Which law states that net flow of an electric field through a closed surface is proportional to the enclosed electric charge?
Friday's law.
Incorrect. Gauss's law. And theatre and cinema for Central. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Charlene Woodley. Charlene Woodley.
Incorrect. Mila Kunis. And theatre and cinema for Herbert Morrison. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Anne Hathaway.
Correct. Central, Spanish. What number is 93?
93. 93.
Correct. Spanish for Herbert Morrison. What number is 39?
39.
Correct. Sports for Central. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Chris Gale. Chris Gale.
Correct. Sports, Herbert Morrison. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Doing Bravo.
Doing Bravo.
Correct. Information Technology Central. What is the name for a measurement of the amount of data that can be transmitted over a network at any given time?
Bandwidth. Bandwidth.
Correct. Information Technology Herbert Morrison. What is the name for a device used for connecting two local area networks?
Modem.
Incorrect. A bridge. Literature Central. Kawana Blood is a novel by which Caribbean author?
Right. Edgar Mittelholzer. Edgar Mittelholzer.
That's correct. Literature for Herbert Morrison. Which novel by Edgar Mittelholzer is subtitled A Ghost Story in the Old-Fashioned Manner?
Okay, what's that?
Ghost in a Shell.
Ghost in a Shell.
Incorrect. My Bones and My Flute. And chemistry. That's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Herbert Morrison on 5 and Central High on 7. It's time for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category International Affairs. The question is, who is the new president of the Democratic Republic of Congo? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns right after these messages.